dare go against my wish, I will show you what it means to be royalty. Because you dare go against my wish. Today, I will teach you two what it means to be fool. Correction rod. Princess, please. Please. Oh, you can beg. You can beg me. Please, I'm begging. Today I will mess you up. No. I will show you two what it means to be royalty. Do you know who I am? I'm a princess. Bastards! Fools!
Don't you dare lay that thing on me! Unless you want to see what is bigger than you.
How? So now peasants think they can talk back to royalty? Did you just talk back at me? It is obvious you are destined to die before the appointed time. And I'll be so happy to send you to your ancestors because...
Princess, someone like...
Oh, you're playing with me, eh? Because this is not working. You think it's not going to work? Watch me. Watch me. You cannot fight a royal blade. Stop. Stop. Do not touch me. Stay away. Are you leaving me to die here? Come and rescue me! Don't come close to me. Don't come close to me. Stay away from me. Go. I'm a princess. You have to respect me. I'm royalty. You don't touch royalty.
Oh, my princess. Look at you. Your condition is bad. And the fact that the doctors cannot tell what is wrong with you is even worse. Don't try to speak. I know you can't.
What did I do? Oh, what is it now? What is it? What did I do?
Old man.
Did what?
You see, those that don't respect themselves ends up in hell. Ends up being disrespected. How dare you poison the minds of our people against me? I am not fit for the throne. How dare you say that from your mouth? Are you mad, old man?
Prince, why are you embarrassing me? I am old enough to be your father. Why are you embarrassing me? What have I done to you?
You did not behave like a father. You behaved like an old rugged fool. Dad!
Hi! Your Highness.
Drag him.
Ha! What did I do now? Leave me alone! Leave me alone, Prince. It shall never be well with you. It shall never be well with you, Prince.
My princess, it's really an honor to have you visit me yourself.
I know you feel very special that I left my palace to come and visit you. But that's right. That's because you're special. And I think maybe you should come to the palace for this day so we can take you know, of course, I will come. Why not? I mean, who says no to royal invitation? Hello. Hey, stop. Didn't you see me? Step back so I can move.
My daughter, I've got too far. I cannot go back from here
Will
now.
you shut up?
Please let me pass.
Who is it? Who? Hey, just go back. What did you call your daughter? Me. My mom could not do this wretched. Now move. Right. Move. Move. Oh, wait. I said it to me. I said move. Did you move? Move. Idiot. Please stop it. Nonsense. Don't you dare correct me. I asked this old food to you so I could pass. Idiot. Nonsense. Don't you dare do that shit to me.
My princess, I know I overreacted the other day, but I thought you overreacted too.
I did what? Vivian, are you here to apologize to me? Or you're here to provoke me so I can push you out like a Don't make me call you a fool that you are.
I want you to understand.
Understand what? Huh? Understand what? That I'm supposed to let a poor commoner run me over? Do you know who I am? No, I should let a commoner pass before me. On the road. In my father's land. In my land. It's not possible. That's what makes me special. That is what makes me royalty. I could never let a commoner treat me as they want. Everywhere I go, wherever I set my foot, I'm supposed to be the most important personality. Do you understand?
Yes. My princess, I'm sorry about the other day.
Whatever. Look. I don't know what you think. Huh? Wait, are you really sure that you want to do this? Are you really sure that you're ready to get married to my brother in the future? Are you sure that you want to be the queen of this land? Are you sure that you're willing and you're capable to sit beside him as his queen? Are you sure you have the authority to govern these people of this great land? Are you sure?
Yes, I love your brother so much. I want to be his wife.
Oh, shush. It's not about love. It's about being tough. You should make me your role model. You should look up to me. These people can't treat me anyhow. They can't talk to me anyhow. They can't act dumb around me. Do you know why? Because I'm brutal. Because I take my actions and I act it. I don't leave them to just act nonchalantly and get away with it. No, you don't do that. You're supposed to be brave, determined, brutal. They should fear you. When they sight you from a distance, they're supposed to be shaking. You should learn from me, actually.
Yes, my princess.
What did I do to you? Look at what you are doing to a man like you. Oh God. God will punish you for all that thing you are doing to me. Please, shall never be well with you.
You are a man with no honor. I will deal with you to the point that you will regret all your life. You will regret what you have done. Guards.
Yes, Your Highness.
Lock him up. No food, no water. If he tries something funny, if he tries to be stubborn, tear jaja, some dear.
For doing what? For doing nothing. God will punish you, please,
Gina, what's going on? Are you okay?
I'm very hungry. I've been working since morning. I've been going up around. But I haven't eaten anything. I'm hungry. Sister, are you okay?
The princess slapped me because I mistakenly spilled some juice.
It's fine, okay? Stop crying. Sister, why don't we just leave this palace? Life gets unbearable each passing day in this palace. Let's just leave this place.
Gina, you know we can't leave. Ma! I'm coming, Ma! Gina, I'm coming.
Okay, no problem.
Ma,
Didn't you hear me calling you?
Ma, I heard.
Hush it. Get food for my guest. She's hungry.
Ma, please. My brother is starving. Can I give him some food to eat?
Your brother is what?
Starving.
Your brother is starving. And so? Is it a government problem? Should I dance to Makosa Bikusi or Samba because he's sick? You see, the thing about you poor people is that you think you have the leverage to do whatever you want to do. Your brother could die for all I care. I don't care. What nonsense. Now go and get food for my girls before I change my mind. Will you move with immediate effect? Get out! He could die if he wants to die. Who cares?
Who is there?
Princess.
Come in.
Hey.
How are you?
I'm great. Are you okay?
I am not fine.
Before you... the lady I brought to see you is in the living room. Do you want to see her? What happened?
There is a certain old man spreading lies about me, poisoning the villagers against my ambition. Can you imagine?
I hope you dealt with him.
Yes, he is locked in the dark room. No food, no water.
That is satisfying. So the lady I asked to, for you to see is here. I don't know if you want to meet her as well.
I'll see her tomorrow. I don't have time.
Brother, no matter what, never fail to assert your authorities upon these people. They should understand that you are the prince of this land, soon to be their king. They must fear and respect you. So tell me, how is the prince?
He is quiet, just like a river, but deep.
Like a river. What does that mean? Vivian!
Yeah.
I can see she served you your food.
Yes, my princess.
You like the food?
Very nice.
Sounds good. Well, I'm so sorry to say this, but I don't think you can see the prince today. Maybe today or tomorrow. Is that okay?
Okay. As far as I get to see the prince.
Sure. Learning fast. One more thing. I will make sure I make reservations for you. You know, you'll stay here and make sure you get the best services.
That would be nice, my princess.
The least I can do for my brother's wife to be. Enjoy your meal.
Absolutely.
My princess, you called.
Gutter rat. What are you doing here? I didn't send for you. Where is the former?
She went out.
Wait, where's the former?
She went out. She went to get something.
She did what?
She went to get something.
Oh. So she left my palace without telling me. Do you fools think this is a zoo where you just play around and get away with it? Eh? You know what? Tell her if she comes back, I want to see her. But first, you have to go wherever you're going to dig a grave for her because I'm sending her to her ancestors today. Will you shut up? Shut that tribe you call a mouth. How dare you? Am I your mate, you fool? Are you talking to me? You peasant! Now get out! Move! Move! Before you infect me with that disease. Somebody get me water! Maid! Oh my God.
Who is that person?
Please let me in. Let me in.
Who are you?
My father is in the palace. Let me in.
Are you okay? Your father is where?
He's in the palace. The villagers told me my father is in the palace. Let me in.
I don't understand. If I slap you, I don't like your life back. Oh yeah, outside.
My father is in the palace.
Get out of this place now.
I'm not living anywhere without my father. Where is he?
Outside.
Daddy! Papa! Where is my father?
Are you okay? Are you sure you're okay?
Will you go outside? What is going on there?
My prince. She said her father is locked inside this place.
Allow her.
Where's my father?
Young girl, who are you?
My father is in the palace, please. I need to see him.
Start the raising. You came to disrupt my peace in this palace. Why? You mad? You crazy? Huh? The very next time you try this nonsense, I will tear you apart. Are you mad? Disturbing the peace of my palace. Take him out. Get out!
Yes, I need to see.
And you, come. Now listen. The next time I see this urchin near my house, let alone my gate, I will lock you up and throw the keys into the lagoon.
I'm sorry, my prince.
Your Highness, we actually came to see you. And that's in respect of your coronation. You already know the tradition of our people. That when the new king is about to be crowned, he needs to take a wife. In fact, we discussed this a day after the king's burial. And since then, we've not heard anything from you. That's why we said to ourselves, let us come and ask you why. Okay?
I am still searching for the woman that embodies the true essence of reality.
You must be quick. Yes, you have to. After the king's burial, we have 100 days. 100 days for a new king to be crowned. After that 100 days elapses, the crown moves to another family.
You don't have jobs. You know, I've said it over and over again. I have not found a wife. Until then, you will be informed, okay?
Oh.
Tell me, what is it that you like most in life?
Money and good life. I mean, my prince, I don't have to pretend to you. Basically, every girl loves money. My prince, I am not going to pretend. You know this already. Every woman loves money. They love luxury. I love to travel around the world. I love to visit new places, eat good food, new foods, just experience life. Women are nothing without money. I mean, I can't afford to look this good. Without money, I won't be able to maintain this beauty, this look. I mean, you won't be attracted to me, of course.
I see. Go in, get a broom and sweep this place.
I beg your pardon. What did you just say?
I don't like repeating myself over and over again. I said, go in, get a broom, and make sure that you tidy this room. Get going.
Of course, my friend.
You two lunatics. Where did you go when Ifeoma left the palace? Huh?
I'm sorry, my princess.
Will you shut up and answer? Where the hell were you?
It must be when I went to the restroom that she left.
Oh. You went to the restroom because you were pressed. And your stupid brain didn't tell you to put someone there before leaving. You left my palace gate open. And that fool left without telling me. Is that how you two work? I pay you to watch over this palace. I pay you to make sure I'm safe. I pay you to watch who comes in and who goes out. Do you see this place like a zoo where you can just behave nonchalantly and get away with it? Now listen to me. I pay you my hard-earned money because I want you to do your duties so well. If you must leave the gate, you have to put someone there. Understood? And this, will you kneel upright? Idiot. You should mind your guards at all times. Get out. Run. Run out. Bastards. Come back here. You. Come back here. Pick it up for me. Nonsense. Fool.
Chains of gold, masks of grace, but behind these walls, it's a wicked place. The way is shackled, but no hands to lead. Our cries echoes like flute with no reed. You serve with tears, but no one sees. Oh yeah, yeah. They eat our youth, they drink our peace.
I want you to pack all the clothes in the wardrobe. Wash them clean. And also, wash my toilet. Be useful to yourself. Make sure it's sparkling clean. What's for? Pick it up. Come on. I want to watch you clean.
Yes, my prince.
Keep trying our best because
By the bone wine.
you cannot allow this. No. If you continue like this,
Prince is becoming something else.
what kind of situation is this? Yeah?
This is my eldest.
Greetings.
I've been to your homes, but I was told you were at the palace.
Yeah, but why are you looking like this? Eh? Why are you looking as if somebody beat you up? Are you alright?
My eldest.
Why are you crying?
His priest will go now. He took my father. I went to the palace to see my father, only for Prince Ugonna to beat me up. My eldest, he beat me up like a slave. And he also said, if I come back to the palace, he will make me disappear.
What? Wait. Are you sure that your father was with Prince Ugonna?
Yes, my eldest.
You are sure?
Yes. He was taken by the prince.
But how sure are you that it was the prince?
My elders, the villagers saw him. They saw him take my father to the palace.
No, now. The prince cannot be this arrogant. This is not fair. He might be stubborn, but exhibiting this kind of attitude.
Do you know what? My daughter, go home. We'll go back to the prince. We must see to the end of this matter. Please just go home. I promise we'll see to the end of this matter.
Okay.
And please don't go there again. Don't go back there. Don't go back there. Maybe he wasn't actually the one holding your father. That's why he got very angry with you. You go,
Okay, my elders.
just go home.
Thank you very much.
Just go home.
Thank you.
I promise you. We'll see to the end.
Jehovah.
Has he got it to this?
Let's go.
We should go.
Let's go.
My princess. Hi, Vivian. Sit.
My princess, you said your brother needed a wife.
Of course. Did he say something different?
No, it's just that he hasn't shown any interest in me since I came. He keeps sending me on errands. I think your brother needs a servant, a female servant.
Why would you even say that? Vivian, have you tried to look at it from a different point that he might be trying to see if you're actually a good woman or not? Has it crossed your mind?
Oh, my princess, I didn't think of that. I understand now.
Look, if you're desperate, then you shouldn't be here in the first place. My brother is looking for a wife, not a slave queen that will come here and put him under pressure. If you must be the queen of this land, you're supposed to earn it. You should work for it. You should, put in your best to get it because it's an ultimate opportunity that you live to remember for the rest of your life. If you must be the queen, you're supposed to work. You're supposed to have what it takes to be queen. Okay?
I understand now. I never thought of it in that aspect. You're right. I'm sorry.
Oh, please, you don't have to be sorry. It's fine. You know how to bore me sometimes. Just get up, please. I was busy before you came in.
Of course.
Get yourself busy, okay? Such a dummy. She can't even fathom small things. I'm not even sure I made the right choice by bringing in this low life into this palace. My princess, is your brother loves me? No! He should get a loin and back you as a baby. Stupid! Shut the door! Hey! Vivian!
Why are you not washing? What happened? Are you okay?
Still not feeling well. I don't know. Feeling cold. Oh no, but I'm not feeling well. Tired.
You should have told me. Let me know if I will go and meet the princess so she will help me with something to get medicine for you.
Thank you, sister.
I'll try my best. Let me help you.
No, don't worry. I'll take care of this.
Okay, I'll go meet the princess.
Yes.
Don't wash, please.
But forgot the oath of the land. Yeah. Now hear the sound of the gods.
My princess. My princess. I'm sorry to bother you. It's about my brother, Uchenna. He's very, very sick. He couldn't even lift the bucket while we were washing.
And so, you expect me to lose sleep because your brother is sick? We have so many workers in this palace. They fall sick on a daily basis and they recover. So why is yours special? What?
Please. My brother is sick. He can't even stand well. Please.
Then tell him to rest.
Listen, please. My brother is sick and not tired. I just need some cash to buy him medicine.
You need what?
Cash.
You need cash. As in ego, money is what you need. From who? Me. You're so ungrateful, Ifoma. You're such a wicked human being. You're a witch. You're an ingrate. You want money from me. After I feed you, I clothe you, I house you, you still come before me to ask for money. For what, actually? Oh, maybe I have to remind you how you and that wretched idiot found yourself in this palace. Should we go down memory lane? Should we?
My queen, the dining is set. Thank you so much. And Obi, could you make me the herbal tea you usually make for me? I would like to have it after the meal. Okay, my queen. I will do just that. Thank you. Thank you.
You stupid village touts. You dumb idiots. Your brains are not working. Your brains are blocked. Are you that foolish? Is that what I asked you to buy for me? No, my princess. So you deliberately went to waste my money. Is that it?
No, my princess.
Will you shut your mouth? You're sorry. Sorry about what? You shut your mouth, you fool. Have you no brains? Now lie down here. Fool. Put your head this way. And you will stay here until I say otherwise. Stupid idiot. You can't use your brains.
Uloma. Uloma, why? Why are you like this? You don't have to humiliate people to correct them.
Beg your pardon, you old witch. Eh? What did you call me? Uloma. My name is Princess Uloma.
Uloma, look. If you don't stop this nonsense and terrible attitude of yours, it's going to land you into trouble someday. I mean, worst trouble.
I will slap you real hard, you know that, right?
You dare not try that.
I will give you a dirty... God of our land. Hey! Did she walk out on me? Did she walk out on me? I know how to do it. And as for you, you caused this. You're gonna stay here for 1 week.
Are you serious? I am serious. The masquerades all came prepared. You needed to see how they challenged themselves. And immediately Ogugu masquerade came out. Others stepped back.
My prince, I missed a lot.
Yes, you surely missed a lot.
Greetings, my prince. The queen seeks your presence.
Well, it's okay. Tell her I will join her very soon. So, like I was saying, you just have to be present.
I'm sorry, my prince. Please, just come with me. It is not good to keep the queen waiting. Come with me.
Remind me, who are you in this palace?
Just a cook. Just a cook. A cook, my prince.
How dare you? How dare you interrupt my conversation with my friend?
No.
How dare you? Around! No. No. You don't tell me that.
The woman is an old woman.
And so what? She needs to know her place in this palace.
When did you become this cruel? And where did you learn how to disrespect people?
Mother, she should learn to respect herself in this palace. She should know her place. She is just an ordinary cook. Who asked for her opinion?
An ordinary cook, you say? Being a cook does not mean she does not deserve any respect. You do not look down on people no matter what.
Mother, she likes to interfere in people's business so much. She likes to interfere in people's business a lot. She's acting like she owns our lives.
She does. Anyone that makes your meals owns your life. If you don't know that before, know it today. And good. If I asked both of you to make meals for us, would you?
May the gods forbid.
Of course not.
Well, I will not stay here and listen to your cook and bull story.
Ugonna, you call what I'm saying cock and bull story? Ugonna! You're walking out on me! Ugonna!
Mother, please. Why are you getting yourself worked out over a cheap maid who has nothing to offer an ordinary cook?
An ordinary cook can become royalty tomorrow.
She will never become royalty.
Oh, really?
That's enough. You just pose for a selfie.
Pose for what?
Come on, smile. It's a harmless picture.
Excuse me.
It's just a harmless picture. This stupid cook!
You serve with tears, but no one sees. Oh yeah. They eat on you, they drink a peace. Ules and Kembu. I let him move so.
Obi. Obi.
My queen.
Obi, you don't look well. Are you okay? Come on, talk to me. Are you okay? Is everything all right?
My queen, I've been sick for some time now.
You've been sick for some time and you didn't tell me? Why?
I've been managing myself.
I'm so sorry about that. You should have told me. Huh? Just leave everything you're doing now and go to the lab. Run tests, send me the bills and I'll pay, okay? Leave everything you're doing now.
Thank you, my queen.
You're welcome.
I will do that tomorrow, as early as I will do that.
No, not tomorrow. You have to go now, okay? Go now. Is my son around? queen. I've done the test. But the doctor said that the issue has gotten worse. What? He said, if nothing is being done soon, it will be very, very dangerous. And what did the doctor say is wrong with you? He said that his appendicitis, it has grown so much. My queen, the worst is that she said I should pay 300,000. I don't have that kind of money with me. My queen, get the 300,000, please. My queen, help me. Obi, please get up.
It's okay, do not worry. Just wipe your tears.
Please,
I will help you. Just get ready. First thing in the morning, you're going for the surgery, okay?
Really?
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Don't worry, you'll be fine, okay?
Okay.
Stop crying. Wipe your tears. Make sure you rest, okay?
Okay.
Mom.
Yes?
Did I hear you well? Are you planning on giving that old wretched witch money? For what, actually?
How dare you call her a witch
She
before
is
me?
a witch, Mom. Wait, come back! Oh! You move from my chair, you lunatic. Are you stupid?
Sorry,
Can you
my
afford
princess.
to shut up? Sorry who? No entities. You just touched the royal couch. Do you know how expensive this couch is? If I should sell you, I won't be able to buy this couch. Nonsense.
Yeah, sorry.
No, shut it. Poor people, I'm being sorry. What are you sorry about? Stupid blackmailers. So after all my summons, you two chose to ignore me. I have summoned you two several times to come before my royal presence, and you chose to ignore me. The audacity, the temerity and the effrontery, the gods!
My princess, we have been struggling since my mother died, and my younger brother has been ill.
Hush it! Hush it! I don't care. If you like, your entire household can die. It doesn't affect the society. You are poor, you're broke, you're worthless to us. I've been suffering since my mother died. We both lost our mothers. Well, all thanks to your mother. She died. She couldn't mind her business in the dead world. She came back to take my mother with her. Such an ingrate. Would you move from my flat? Move! And then you stinking fool coming, you're telling me my mother died. And so what? Your mother is not important in the society. She was of no value to us. My mom was royalty. She was a queen. And your mother was just a poor palace cook who had nothing to serve and to offer us. You're acting as if you're too injured. Just stop milking your wound because you're not that injured, okay? Silly. Now back to why I summoned you two. Your late mother, that witch that you call a mom, before she died, she borrowed the sum of 1 million naira from my mother. When she was sick, and she promised to pay every month by giving away half of her salary each month until the money is complete. Well, sadly, or will I say, thank the gods that she died. When she died, she hadn't even paid 1 kobo. So you two are owing me the sum of 1 million naira.
What?
Will you shut that gutter? Shut it, you stink! Fool! And now, I'm giving you 3 options. The first, you can give me your father's properties. I know your father is broke and wretched. But you can give me his lands, all his lands and everything that belongs to him, right down to his boxers and his kitchen spoons. I don't really care. Will you shut your mouth? Nonsense. The second option, you can pay me the 1 million naira if you have it. And now the third option, which is a very generous one, you can work for me in the palace.
No, my princess. My princess. Please have mercy. It's my mother who brought the money. We didn't. Yes, we don't even know where the money is. Please.
Yes, my princess.
And do I look like the Lord and personal savior? Do I look like the one who forgives people for free?
No,
do I look like Jesus? I don't have mercy. I don't have mercy. I don't have joy. I don't have peace. I don't deal with that. It's an eye for an eye. You owe me money. You work for it. I don't care how you work for it, but you're going to work for it. Do you understand? Guard, take both of them to their quarters and make sure you call the palace seamstress. Tell her to provide uniforms for them. She should get their measurements. They're starting work tomorrow. Tomorrow you start work. You'll be on Tuesday. You come. I saw how you were looking at that girl. If you as much as just try to flirt around her, I will kill you. You know I kill people, right? Get out. Get out here. Come, bring it back to me. Bring it back to me, fool. That's it. So you're here because you're supposed to pay me. Your evil late mother was owing my mother some money. She couldn't pay for it because she was broke and stupid. At her old age, she couldn't afford for her hospital bill. My kind mother stood up and helped her, but she died. And so you have to come in to work for the money because my mother worked so hard to get that money. It won't just go for free. So I brought you and that wretched idiot to help me in the palace work my mother's money. You have to work day and night, non-stop, without food until that money is complete. And now the next time you come before me to vomit this nonsense, I will strangle you with my bare hands. My eyes are closed. Before I open it, I want you to have disappeared. Are you still standing? Are you still standing here? Come on, get out! Get out! Peasant fool! Ingrate! Come and take money from me! Nonsense! After I feed you and clothe you, you're asking for money! Is this an orphanage? Ifeoma! Come here!
You serve with it, but no one sees. Oh yeah, yeah. They eat our youth, they drink our peace. Oh, let's get I let it move so.
You gutter rat! What are you doing there? Go back to work now! Go back to work, are you still work? Get to work fast! Lazy bone! Lunatic. Ifeoma! Come get my stuff for me.
Crown Prince of Umuze. Ichi Anyeze's daughter reported something to us. She said that her father has been locked inside this palace since yesterday. My prince, is that true?
Yes, I locked him up.
That is abomination. How can an old man be treated in such a way? Why? He doesn't deserve such treatment.
I heard he's been going around, chanting and calling me a sort of name, telling people that cares to listen that I'm not fit to be king. He called me evil. He said I'm cruel. I am the devil that wears the crown. Such guts to insult royalty.
Well, Your Highness, I know his words might have been very, very disrespectful. But at least he should have reported to us. Or better still, give him a warning. Not just throw him into jail as like a common criminal.
Yes.
Are you not listening to what I just said?
But look at my crown prince. There are many ways you could have handled such issue. Or do you want people to be saying that the crown prince treats elders in a very wicked way, that he jails elders? You do want such a reputation for yourself?
My prince, you have to care. You have to care. Yes. Because the only thing you should not care about is when you are doing the right thing and people are saying whatever they want to say. That's the only thing you shouldn't care about. Listen, there's a saying that a traveler who listens to every barking dog on his way might end up not getting to his destination. Because then, please, we are begging you. Oh, release him, let him go. Please. You could go.
Fine. I heard you.
Thank you. Thank you. You can release him so that he will go with us.
I said. I heard you. You may leave.
Said you will leave. Let us go. Please, oh, thank you.
You stinking old fool. You godforsaken idiot with weak bones. Oh, you have no fear in you. Because you dare come back to my palace uninvited. I can kill you for free, you know that, right?
I'm here for you to apologize for what you did to me.
For me?
Yes, you.
The royal princess. To apologize to a commoner like you. No, a blue blood like me should descend so low to apologize to a peasant, an old weak peasant with decaying bones like you. You're very senseless. I will never do that. I can never stain my royal lineage. God forbid. May the gods forbid and bind it. And today will be the day you will leave this world, because I'm going to kill you and bury you in this palace. Oh, you're still looking at me. You're looking at me. You want to see magic? No. I look so real. No. Me. Nobody dares. Nobody can attack me. Nobody can freaking bring me down. Never. She can't do anything to me. I am royalty. You understand why I hate poor people? It's always the audacity.
Chains of gold, masks of grace, but behind these walls, it's a wicked place. The way is shackled, but no hearts to lead. Our cries echoes like flute with no reed. You serve with tears, but no one sees. Oh yeah.
Old man.
They tell you they drink a peace.
Out of the magnanimity of my heart, I have decided to release you as a good prince that I am. If I hear any tiny rumor, even as tiny as an atom, from you, or gossiping with my name, poisoning the hearts of my people, I will make sure I tear you apart. I'll make sure I kill you, cut off your tongue, and feed the vultures in the forest. Go and sin no more. Get him out.
We said with tears, but no one sees. Oh, hey, tell youth they drink our peace. Ules and Kembu, Ules and Kembu, Anet and Pudu, so.
Has he taken any medications yet?
No.
Why?
The princess refused to give me money to buy medication.
Did you ask her and she did not give you money?
It's a long story.
Whatever the story is not enough for you to leave your brother sick like that. Do you understand? You know what? Don't worry. I will get the medications myself. Okay? Your brother is going to be fine. I promise.
Thank you so much. God will bless you.
It's fine.
God will
No,
bless
it's okay. I'm coming.
you. Thank you. God will bless you.
But forgot the oath of the land. Yeah. Now hear the sound of the gods. Judgment is near. Justice will land. Oh, each one you give, they get the dead. Oh, each one you give, they catch the dead. Whoa. This is the reckoning, no place to hide. Onye barado gana, onye barado.
to you?
Baby,
Papa. Sorry. Oh, Jesus, what happened? Sorry, Papa. Sorry. Hey, Papa, sorry. Sorry. What did this to you, Papa? What happened?
Oh no silver this time, no diamond, all gold. Yeah, the bracelet, the earrings, everything gold. So how much is it? 25 million? I'll ask my brother to send to you. Sure. Vivian, where are you going?
I want to rush and get drugs for Ifeoma's brother. He's very sick.
You want to what? And on whose account are you doing that? Who sent you?
I already spoke with Ifeoma. She said you refused to give her any money to get drugs, so I want to do it for her.
My friend, come back here. You want to leave this palace to go and get drugs for someone, a poor person, a broke, my worker. Are you stupid? Is that why you came to this palace in the first place?
No, that's not why, but he's very...
And I said, I know he's sick, and so what? Is that why you came to this palace? You're here on my brother's account. He will be the only one to ask you to leave and come in. What is wrong with this girl? Now go back upstairs and meet my brother.
I understand that, princess, but you need to see him.
I said go back upstairs and meet my brother. He might need you.
I know that, princess. It's just that the boy is very...
Did you hear me say you should go back upstairs? Go back upstairs and meet my brother. He might need you. What kind of dumb person is this? Not this queen I wanna be. Vivian! Vivian! You're losing your mind in this palace. You hear from me this.
My prince, you sent for me.
Yes, I sent for you. Make my bed.
I don't understand. What? What did you just say?
So make my bed.
But the bed is already made.
Are you going to disrespect the crown prince of this land? Huh?
I'm done.
Lie down.
Pardon?
You know, I do not like to repeat myself over and over again. Lie down now. Lie.
What are you trying to do? Oh my God! Stop!
God will punish all of you!
Oginigwa.
Your brother! He's a monster! You knew! You knew! Why did you let me come here in the first place?
Can you stop speaking in tongues and speak Queen's English? What's going on? What happened?
Your brother.
He what?
He raped me! He forcefully had me in his room! He raped me! He took advantage of me!
Cry, baby. Your brother raped me! He took advantage of me and so what? Has he not asked to marry you? Is he not going to marry you, dummy? What's the issue?
So,
is he not going to marry you?
I should have known you're part of this.
Part of what?
You're also a monster.
No, you're a dummy. You're a stupid girl who has no brains. Your head is blocked. Is it the first to go in there? They have gone in and gone out. His own is even special because it's a royal blood. What is wrong with you? For once, use your brains. My brother has maidens that are running after him left, right, center. Do you know how many girls will slay themselves just to make sure my brother sees them? And then you're here getting it for free. He's giving you for free money after night. You're screaming, he took advantage of me, he raped me. Is he the first? He's not.
I need to leave this palace. I am leaving. I am leaving. I just told you your brother took advantage of me.
And I told you you are lucky he's taking advantage of you.
I need to leave.
Do you know what it means to see a royal down there? Tommy, use your brains.
I am leaving. You need to leave this palace. Tap.
Look, I want the best for you. This is not how you handle such things. It is done professionally. Come sit. I know you're terrified, but some things are not handled this way. Some things are handled in a more professional way. Just sit. Chima!
Listen, my princess.
Who punished you?
It's fine. Just relax, okay? I know exactly how to handle this.
Okay.
I'm so sorry.
Thank you.
We are bastards. We are cursed. I will show you how cursed people treat uncursed people. My friend, turn to the back.
Princess.
Your tummy on the couch, your ass up. Very fast.
What's going on? Princess.
I don't have patience. Hurry up.
What are you trying to do? Don't touch me! Princess, please!
Hold her to the ground. Hold her to the ground. Hold her to the ground.
Chains of gold, masks of grace, but behind these walls, it's a wicked place. They wear a shadow, but no hearts to lead. Our cries echoes like flutes with no reed. You serve with tears, but no one sees. Oh yeah. They eat on you, they drink a peace.
Food is ready.
Ifoma, you know, you were right when you said the prince is like a river, quiet but deep. Now I understand. Now I understand. Please, I need your help.
How can I possibly be of help to you in this palace?
The princess seized my phone and asked the guards not to let me out of the palace. Can I make use of your phone? Please.
I don't even have a phone.
You don't?
I'm sorry.
a prince. And now, I am stuck with a monster on royal robes. God help me. What do I do? Space. Too much. This is too much. What did I do? What do I do? God!
What the fool and bring her back to me?
What did I do? What's my offense? What did I do?
You shut up! You village fool. Did you not see me when you walked past?
My princess, I'm sorry. I had a lot on my mind. I didn't notice you.
You have a lot on your mind.
So sorry.
I'm too small.
Did you just slap me?
And I will slap you this way. Shut up.
You slapped me.
Oh, shut it! Crazy fool! After everything you and your brother did to my father, you get mine, slap me!
I say I don't dey grace for this village.
Hey! Did you just slap me? You don't get grace! You don't get grace! I'll go ghost everybody for this village! I know
I'm sorry, my princess.
You shut your mouth, you fool! Why do I pay you in this palace? Why do you work for me? So you had to run, leaving that idiot to attack me!
I'm sorry, my princess. It was a matter of life and death. I can't afford to die. I'm the only son in my family, and if I die...
Oh, you shut down your dirty mouth! Whose child are you? What's your father's name? If you die, nothing will happen! You poor old fool! Now listen to me. If this happens next time, I'll make sure I feed you to the vultures. Nonsense idiot! I pay you for free? Why do I pay you? I own your life. If anything should happen, you should give your life up for me. Non-identity, poor fools that I pay for nothing. You can't even do simple things to protect your princess.
I'm sorry, my princess. Please forgive me.
Don't just litter that sorry to me again. I will deal with you. Non-entity. Now give me this.
Princess.
Give me that.
My princess.
My princess. Come back here. Come back here.
My princess.
Come back here.
My princess.
If I open my mouth to come back here.
My princess, please.
You don't have a short temper. Come back here. On your knees. Hands up. Eyes closed. Close your eyes. You're joining your ancestors today because today I'm going. Will you shut your mouth? Will you ever in your entire miserable life let an idiot attack me?
No.
Will you ever let any man come close to me? Be it man or woman, will you let them come as much as breathing close to me? If this nonsense repeats itself again, I will make sure I cut your head off and feed it to the vultures. Nonsense fool. So you let that fool break a bottle on me? Why did you ever attack me?
I'm sorry.
You're sorry. Call it from out for me to bring water for me. Nonsense. Fools! You can't even protect the princess. You get this thing out of my way. Get this out of my way. Nonsense.
Princess.
What is it?
I want to tell you that I want to leave. I am no longer interested in the prince. I just want to go back to my home.
Well, I thought you had interest in the prince before. So what happened?
I am no longer interested in your brother, the prince. I just want to go back to my home. Please.
My hands are tied. My brother has the final say in this. You could talk
Princess, princess. I have a home. I am not a slave.
Like I said, my brother has to make the final decision. I can't do anything. Wait. Come to think of it, Vivian. Are you not just stupid? No, are you not foolish? Are you not an ingrate? Do you understand who my brother is? Do you know he's a royal blood and you are nothing? Do you know how honored you are to be before him? Do you know how lucky you are to have, been able to sit with my brother and have a chat with him? Do you know how many minutes in this land will do anything and go to any extent just to see my brother? And then you're here, you're lucky to see him. And he likes you and you want to leave. You're a stupid girl with no brains. Now get back to work. Wait for him to come back.
This is the reckoning. No place to hide. Onye barado gana. Onye barado. You walk the way. Now face the drum. Onye merancho gana. Judgment Day. Oh, she came in rags. You spat her name. Your spirit's dress is plain, not for fame. One sip of her tea, your pride will burn. From there and more, yeah, I go before you. This is
Where do you think you're going?
Let me go!
Go back.
I am not going anywhere. Allow me to leave now.
You're not leaving this palace. I say you should go back now.
Why? Am I being kidnapped or what? Let me go.
Go back. I don't want to hit you. You better go back now.
Let me go. Let me go. Let me go. No.
Go back.
I am not going
Say
anywhere.
go back.
I am not going into this house. Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Sister, why don't we just sell one of our lands so we can give them the money and leave this place? My body hurts every day.
Okay, fine. If we give her the land, where will you build on? I mean, where will your children live?
Sister, what next? Can't you see that the other day I was sick? And the princess refused to give us money for my treatment. Sister, is it until one of us dies? Sister?
God forbid. Nobody's going to die. Nobody, God forbid. I strongly believe that we will pay this debt, okay? Just stop crying, please. Please.
Just pray that God will come to our aid one day.
Let me go.
Hey,
Let me go.
what is wrong with you?
Let me go, you beast in royal robes. Leave me alone. I am no longer interested. I want to go. I want to leave.
Shut up your mouth! Shut up and be still. You are going nowhere until I say so. Get back to the bed.
You are a monster!
You crazy? You're insane? Huh?
If I die in this palace, I will come back as thunder and I will strike you every single minute. I will make sure you burn to ashes.
Until then. But for now.
Let go! Let go! Let go!
Who is there? And who are you?
I am Princess Namaka from Obojiko Kingdom.
Princess Namaka.
I'm here to see Princess Uloma. Just tell her someone from her royal caliber is here to see her and she'll understand. Please, it's very urgent.
Alright, but you have to wait here. I'll be back. Welcome, my friend. I'm going.
Greetings, my beautiful princess. The jewel of the kingdom. Seeing you is like remembering what the heavens promised.
You're welcome to my palace.
Thank you. I am Namaka from Obojiko Kingdom, Delhi North. May I dare sit before you?
Oh yeah, sit. You're welcome to my palace. You know, listening to you talk is like I'm hearing a great singer sing before me.
That is only when I speak to powerful people like you. Gifts from my kingdom, I bring. I have heard so much about you, princess. My late father used to speak about you a lot to me. He said your father was filled with kindness, and his words were wise. And he spoke so highly of you. Not only him, so many people spoke about you. They said, you must see the princess with your eyes. Now that I'm here, I have realized something. They failed. They failed to describe your beauty the way it truly is. Maybe they didn't have much words to use, but now that I'm here, I will say that you are more beautiful than words can say. You are truly beautiful, my princess. And that is why I have brought these for you. Inside it are beauty oils and herbs to drink for your skin. When you drink them, your radiant skin will thank you forever.
You're so intelligent. Like, I'm amazed how well you know that I'm into beauty and elegance. I love anything that will enhance my beauty. I don't care what it takes or whatever it's going to affect. So long as it's going to maintain my beauty and make me stay young forever, I'm taking it. I like you.
Thank you, my princess. I am honored.
Thank you. I will receive this with all thanks. Just a second.
I'll ask the maid to get something for you. Something special, because you're special. Thank you, my princess.
Oh, she blushes.
Just like me. A second. You said beauty oils? Ah. I'll be right back. Beauty oils.
Shut up, your mouth! Shut up! You think you can hide yourself away from me? Huh? You messed with the wrong person. I am going to tie you, your legs and your hands. I bet you will wish you were never born. Follow me.
Leave me alone! Let me alone! Let me!
Hey, Papa. Hey, Papa. Here's your drugs. How are you feeling? You know what? Let me get you water. I'm coming, Papa. Sorry. It's okay, Papa. Gently.
Easy.
Small.
My waist.
Sorry.
Easy.
Sorry, Papa. So, you just... So sorry, Papa.
Just...
Sorry.
All these drugs?
Yes, Papa. It's for your health, so you get better. Sorry. Sorry. Papa, have some water. Sorry. Just try, Papa. Just... Sorry. Do you need more? Sorry. Sorry, Papa. Just take some water. Sorry. Chai, it will not be well with that prince. That prince will never go unpunished. Look at what he did to my father. Eh? Papa, sorry. Sorry. Just lie down.
Is this a special tea my friend brought for me?
Yes, my princess.
This is really refreshing. The aroma is so good. How did I forget to get her number? Oh my goodness. How do I reach her now? Hey, bro. Come try this. Here. This is specialty that was given to me specially by the princess of Obudoko Kingdom. Try it. It's good. How is it? That's enough. Don't finish it.
The aroma is good.
Yeah.
Truly refreshing. What did you say it does to the body?
Well, she said it helps with the skin. But from the taste of this, I can tell it does more than just help with the skin, because I can feel this relief from inside, like it does more than just help the skin. I feel like it helps the entire body. What do you think?
Well, in that case, I think I will need more of it.
Sure, I'll tell the farmer to get some for you later.
Good.
Greetings, my prince. Greetings, my princess.
Greetings. What is it?
Yes, I have something very important.
Shut up and speak. What is it?
I don't think you guys should drink that tea. Yes, I don't know, but my spirit tells me that it's not right. There's something wrong with it.
Come here. Come. For not minding your business. My princess.
Yes, brother.
I will see you later, okay?
Sure, take care of yourself. Yourself.
I will.
I'll tell her to get you this one to your back.
Okay.
Ifeoma, get more tea for me. Very hot.
Mazi Aneze, how are you feeling now?
I'm not feeling any better. He beat me up, locked me. No food, no water.
Hi. This is abomination. So you mean the prince beat you like a baby?
I would have died. The king, the princess Kura, is heartless.
Sorry. What's good? Sorry, But how can the prince be this heartless and cruel? This is the man that will want to crown king, to rule us. Is this how he's going to rule us?
My brother.
I know Kwalansobu.
Sobu.
Hey!
He is heartless.
He is. Ndo.
Thank
you. Can I go? Okay. Ogadima.
No.
Thank you.
I'm so sorry about this ugly episode. So sorry.
Thank you.
Sorry, Thank you.
Why would you say a thing like that to the prince and princess?
Sister, I feel it strongly in my spirit that there's something wrong with that tea. That one that brought the tea, something is not right.
Eugene, whatever you feel, please, I'm begging you, just keep it to yourself. Besides, it was the princess that gave it to them. She told me to be serving it to her regularly, which I am supposed to do. We are here to serve them and not to share opinions with them, please.
Yes, sister. I've heard.
Sorry,
Yes. Ouch.
Sorry.
Sister. at all.
It's going to be fine.
Yes, but I'm still feeling that tea. There's something wrong with it. I'm serious.
Jonah, please. It's just the tea. What is wrong with you? It's just the tea. Please. Sorry. My princess.
Thank you. Thank you. It's really good. Hope you serve some of this, my brother.
Yes, my princess.
Alright, good. Come on. You know I normally keep money in my drawer, my bed, right? Please, I need you to get money from there. I think I have bacteria on my throat. My throat. Get some cold capsules for me.
Okay, my princess.
Do we still have more of this tea?
Yes, my princess.
Thank you. My skin is actually good. My skin is really glowing. It's working. It's working. I'm glowing.
But my prince, sometimes I think you talk too boldly.
Too boldly, you say?
Yes.
I only speak like someone born to rule. A true leader does not beg for respect. He commands it.
But still, little kindness will not kill you. This is my opinion, though.
Kindness is weakness. Do you know what I did to that old, foolish, rugged man? I locked him up without food. I gave him the beating of his life, an experience he will never forget in a hurry. So how then do you think he will go out telling people, speaking ill about me after the traumatizing experience he had? That's not possible.
Gunnar, that was too much. I hope you know that people are watching you.
Fakilibe, that shows that your king is not a weakling. Let him watch.
Are you okay?
Yeah, it's nothing. I just have a little cough.
I'm so sorry.
Yeah, it's okay. Back to what?
Are you okay?
Yeah, it's.
I am sorry, my princess. You cannot see princess. She's not feeling too well and she asked not to be disturbed.
She is unwell?
Yes.
Oh, I'm so sorry about that. Please send my regards to her and tell her that I'll be back to see her later.
No problem.
This is the reckoning. No place to hide. Onye bara no gana. Onye you mock the weak. Now it's gone. Onye gana.
My prince, I am done making your bed.
Yeah, go back and lie down.
What did you say?
Go back and lie down.
Will you shut that gate, you fool? You come. Call Ifama for me. Ifama. Hurry up.
What is it?
The prince! He's coughing severely! What do we do? Sorry.
Oh my God. Same with the princess as well. Severely.
What?
Princess,
please calm down, please.
What are we going to do now?
I don't know, let's take her to the hospital, please calm down, please.
Go and bring water. This is not helping. Bring water. Yeah, bring water. My princess. Wait, my princess. Somebody come! My princess!
What about the prince and the princess? I mean, how are they doing now?
Well, a doctor was invited to the palace. We ran a test on them and we're still waiting for the results. But they have stopped coughing out blood and they are sleeping now.
Could this be a case of food poisoning?
I do not know.
Okay. If I may ask, who cooks for them? I mean, who makes their meals?
Well, it's the former. Her mother was the former palace cook before she died.
Could she have poisoned them by chance?
No. I don't think she can be capable of doing such a thing.
Ichioba, let's not go into conclusion. Since they have taken their samples for test, let us await the test results.
Okay. Please take good care of them. Alright?
No problem. Take care of them, oh? We'll see you later.
Sorry. Calm down. Oh God, what is this again? What's this? Calm down, please. Calm down. Do you need water? Okay. My princess, calm down. Easy, please. Calm down. You'll be fine, please.
Sister, honestly, I don't know what you're still doing here. It's time we leave this palace. Come on, the prince and princess, they are down with a strange illness. How are you sure it's not punishment for what they have been doing to people?
Don't say that. Remember, we are here for something. If we run away now, they will think we have a hand in what is happening to them.
Well, the doctor ran several tests and he said he doesn't know what is happening to them. But sister, I think this thing is not... I think there's something spiritual in it. Yes. Like the universe, as if the universe is punishing them for what they have done.
How would you say something like that? How would you even think of running away at the first place? Yeah? Can't you just remember we are here to pay Mama's debt, for crying out loud? We are not supposed to pay evil back with evil.
Yes,
how many times will I say this?
But how are you sure it's not God that is fighting our battle? So we'll leave this place. I don't know why you're still saying we should stay and help the same people that were treating us like animals.
Nothing is going to happen to them. Nothing. And if eventually something happens to them, then we can leave. But for now, no. What if we run away and they later get better and start looking for us?
Sister, they will not get better. Because those people, they look like somebody that will soon die. They will soon die. Shh. They look like somebody that is getting better. She's telling me, we have to leave this place.
Oh, my princess. Look at you. Your condition is bad. And the fact that the doctors cannot tell what is wrong with you is even worse. Don't try to speak. I know you can't. I hope you're still giving her the tea I brought. It will help nourish her skin.
Yes, but I think her overall health is better than just her skin.
Of course. I'll leave now. Take care of the princess.
Okay. Thanks for coming. My princess, are you okay? My princess, calm down. My princess, calm down. Let me get you some water. My princess, calm down, please. Let me get some water.
I know someone that can help. He's a seer. He will not only tell us what is wrong with them, but he will also provide solution to the prince and princess problem.
Thank you, my princess. But the elders are on it. They have made an arrangement to bring a priest that will find the cure. So you don't need to worry yourself.
Very well then. I'll come back later to check on them. I hope they get well soon.
Thank you, my princess.
You evil woman. What are you doing here?
Don't you dare try to stop what I'm trying to do here. Don't you dare try to stop me.
I know you're not up to good enough. But let's see how far you can go.
Those who do not fear justice will surely fear sickness. You both will remain in that condition until you're forgotten by everyone, and then you will die slowly and painfully. The reward of cruelty is never peace. And like they say, the hand that burns another will surely roast by its own fire. Wicked humans. You think you can treat others unfairly and go unpunished? Never. This is just the beginning of your punishment.
Okra tree does not grow taller than the bone. Go! God's name. This cause you. You beware. Those that say the child does not know medicine and call it vegetable. They did not lie. Because you. Because you. Because you. Because you.
Jenga. I do not know what is wrong with the prince and the princess. But I will prepare some herbs that will make them better.
This is very serious.
Their spirits are restless. I felt it the moment I stepped my foot into the palace. Something dark is at play.
Are you saying it's a cause?
Ojenga, I am not saying it is a cause. But this is something that is born from vengeance.
That means we are not fighting sickness here. Is that
honestly, I do not really think so. Or think that is the issue. Like I said earlier, I will prepare some herbs and observe some rituals. And also, I will talk to the gods on their behalf. And I shall get back to you.
It's okay, Zam. It's okay.
Very well. I shall take my leave.
So you're still worrying about them after everything they did to us?
Uche, they are humans.
She was like, can't believe this. Are we not humans? We are humans, yet they treated us like animals. Listen, we are leaving this place.
We are not leaving. Not until they return to the normal state that they were before we came here. We are not leaving. I mean, if you want to leave, nobody will stop you at the gate anymore. You are free.
Sister, come on now, stop this thing. You know I can't live without you.
Then stay there.
So you should stay here, do you? Just let her go, please.
Princess. Calm down. Easy. Calm down. Should I try more? Please try. Calm down. Dear God, please just heal the princess and the prince. This is too much. This is just too much for them. God, please, I'm begging you. It's not as if they deserve it, but I believe you're a merciful God. Please. God, please grant healing upon the princess and the prince.
Ichioba, from the look of things, this kingship might leave the Ezobu's family.
You are right. Prince Ugonna has 3 weeks to choose a wife and be crowned king. But now, he's bedridden with strange illness.
In fact, the chief priest has tried everything humanly possible. Even the palace doctor said he doesn't even know what is happening. That they are still coughing.
Then, what are we treating? What do we fight?
I know. All I pray for is that they get better. In fact, this is really, really sad.
Very sad.
Very sad.
Very, very sad.
Aye.
Prince Ugonna, who was too tall and proud. Now he lies like a lifeless tree. Indeed, this life is very, very unpredictable.
Very unpredictable. If like you said, very, very unpredictable. Well, we'll just see what we can do. Maybe later we'll meet and we'll know what next.
Okay, you are going to the chief priest house?
Okay, that's where I should go.
Okay. Well, we'll see. Yes.
That there is something wrong with that woman. Who brought the tea that you've been serving the prince and princess?
What's wrong about her?
Star just had an encounter with her by the gate side. She's evil.
But I stopped serving them since they fell ill. What encounter did you have with her?
While we have been looking far and wide for answers on this door, I tell you here that the solution lies in this very palace. Who is Uchenna?
He works in this palace as a servant.
Then hear me here right now. Their destiny lies on his shoulders. He is to say a prayer from his heart. And that's all.
Really? Uchenna? And he lives in this palace? That means all is settled. All is settled.
I must take my leave.
Hey.
Sister, how can you ask me to heal those cruel people? Come on, I warned them about the tea, but they didn't listen.
Listen.
The prince struck me and he said that my spirit is useless. No, sister, I'm not doing it.
Uchenna, please. Mama never taught us to repay evil back with evil. Please. I mean, what shall it profit you to watch these people die?
At least we will gain our freedom. Yes!
Okay, fine. You will gain your freedom, but will your conscience be? No. Uchenna, if we watch these people die, then we are no different from what we condemn every day. Please, just listen to me. Okay, fine. I know these people treated us bad. I know they maltreated us, I know. But then again, this isn't who we are. Please. Uchenna, you have to heal them, please. Just go and pray for them, please.
This is the reckoning.
Okay.
No place to hide. Onye baralo gana. Onye baralo.
No problem, I'll think about it.
Now face the drum. Onye meranjo gana.
Before I pray for them, they must promise me one thing. That they will go to everybody they have wronged and they will apologize to them sincerely. And also, I want them to stop treating I and my sister as slaves.
I think they are just trying to agree. You can see that they are trying to say something, but the words are not coming out yet. Please just go ahead and pray for them. Biko.
Both of you have been shown mercy. I hope you live your lives better. And I hope you stop treating people badly.
You think you can stop me? You think you can break the spell I cast on them? Never. Stay out of my way.
The living and the dead have nothing in common.
But she caused me pain. She took my life.
How?
She took my life. She's evil. She's wicked. She doesn't deserve to be alive. She must die. Yes. Yes.
Please, Mom. I'm begging you. Please don't just end her life like that. She's sorry. I believe that she's now a changed person. Please, I know you're hurt, but please forgive her. But she's sorry. I'm begging you. Please. Sorry, Ma. She's sorry. Please, this is in the past. Please don't just end her life. Please.
Chains of gold, masks of grace, but behind these walls, it's a wicked place. They wear the shadow, but no hearts to leave.
My princess.
Our cries echoes like
Greetings.
you serve with it, but no.
My princess, do you recall having an encounter with an old woman? My princess, try. Maybe you had a fight or a quarrel with an old woman. Just try and remember.
I do not have any old woman in my life. I never met an old woman.
An old woman? What for exactly?
No, my princess, you did. Just try and remember something. Did you have a fight or quarrel? Are you okay?
Yes. It was a long time ago.
This says no.
Hello, hey, stop. Didn't you see me? Step back so I can move.
My daughter, I've got too far. I cannot go back from here
Will
now.
you shut up?
Please let me pass.
Who is it? Who? Hey, just go back. Who did you call your daughter? Me. My mom cannot do this wretched. Now move. Right. Move. Move. Oh, wait. I said move. Did you move? Move. Idiot. Please stop it. Don't you dare correct me. I had this old food to move so I could pass. Idiot. Nonsense. Don't you ever do that shit to me.
What? Are you being serious right now? You had the guts to push an old woman. Why? What for? You went extreme.
She caused it. I only asked her to make way for me as royalty to pass first. She was acting stubborn. I just had to push her so I could pass.
After that, did you see this woman anywhere? Like, have you set your eyes on her since then?
No. I actually wish I could see her. I would love to apologize to her and tell her that I'm sorry. I'm sorry for all the pain I caused her. Poor old woman. No. I had a vision. I had a dream when I was lying down here. She came here and
You stinking old fool. You godforsaken idiot with weak bones. Oh, you have no fear in you. Because you dare come back to my palace uninvited. I can kill you for free, you know that, right?
I'm here for you to apologize for what you did to me.
For me?
Yes, you.
The royal princess. To apologize to a commoner like you. No, a blue blood like me should descend so low to apologize to a peasant, an old weak peasant with decaying bones like you. You're very senseless. I will never do that. I can never stain my royal lineage. God forbid. May the gods forbid and bind it. And today will be the day you will leave this world because I'm going to kill you and bury you in this palace. Oh, you're still looking at me. You're looking at me. You want to see magic?
What are you talking about? You even saw her in the dream and you couldn't apologize? Why? We are suffering the consequences of your actions. We're suffering because of you. Just look at us. See what you cost us.
My princess, you caused the death of that woman. And she's out for revenge.
The chief priest has provided a solution to your situation. You will spend 4 market days in the Okulu Evil Forest. Perhaps you will get better after then. That being said, the 100 days given to you to choose a wife has elapsed. So the crown moves to another family. I beg to take my leave.
My princess, my prince, I will lead you to the evil forest. And I will stay with you and your brother for the 4 market days. When I was little, my mom told me that I had the gift to help people. So I believe I might be of help to you and your brother.
No. You will not come with me, Ujena. I will go on my own. And if it is the will of the gods that I come back alive, I will come back. But if not, so shall it be.
No. What about me? If you go to the evil forest alone, how do I get healed? I'll go with you.
I don't even know what I have done to deserve this kind of love from you too, and all the workers in this palace. After all the evil I did to you, after all the bad treatment you received from me, I don't even deserve to stay alive. Talk more of having you follow me to the evil forest after all I did to you, Uchenna and Ifoma. You too had the chance to go away. You had all the opportunities to steal from me. Yet, you stayed, despite all my evil ways towards you.
I'm sorry too. I'm sorry for everything we've done. However we've wronged you and your sister. Please forgive us. By the time we are back from the evil forest, if you still wish to walk in this palace, I will raise your pay. If not, I have no choice. I'll give you my blessings and take you and your sister as my brother and sister, as part of this family.
It's fine.
Please, before I leave for the evil forest, I want to ask for your forgiveness. Both of you. Please.
Princess, you don't have to kneel. I and my sister, we have already forgiven you.
Please find a place in your heart to forgive me.
Wait, so soon you're going to become the queen of this kingdom. Wow! I'm so happy!
That you soon become the queen of this kingdom. Wow! So anywhere you go to, they'll be like, long live the queen. And I'll also bow. Wow, I'm so happy.
You're not serious.
Long live the queen.
Stop! Stop.
I can't believe this, so. I can't believe that we'll be so happy like this in this palace, that they treated us. I can't believe this.
Me too. That's why one must not lose hope no matter what.
Yes,
I'm
you're
so
right.
happy.
For real, man.
Stop! Will you come with me? The princess asked me to do some shopping.
Are you asking me? Of course I'll come with you. Let's go.
In my vision, I saw the spirit that attacked you and your sister. It came out from the grave. Your sister offended that spirit. Both of you are guilty.
I believe you. We have wronged so many people. So many. I just realized it is very, very serious. Uchenna, thank you so much. Thank you for a kind gesture. Thank you for saving us. You really did a great job. I mean, I never knew you had spiritual gifts.
Yes, my sister also said that.
You do. Keep it up.
Thank you, my prince.
If you don't mind, can you take a walk with me?
No problem, my prince.
Of grace, but behind these walls, it's a wicked place. The way is shadow, but no hearts to lead. Our cries echoes like flute with no reed. You serve with tears, but no one sees. Oh yeah, yeah. They eat on you, they drink a peace. Ules and Kembu, I let it move so. Hana Eri, I know, Otani Naburi. Power, mercy is rare. The weak are broken, no one cares. We wash their feet, we bow our heads. But every night, our spirit